Hey everybody, we're doing illegal open houses.
No, we are not.
No, what we're doing is called a virtual open house. And what is that, Adrian?
So we use some very special technology to virtually show your home. Attilio, tell them about the technology.
Yeah, so we use a camera called the Matterport camera. Spend about 2 to 4 hours in your home capturing information, come back to the office, stitch it all together, and that creates a 3D walkthrough of your home.
Okay, so then we take that 3D tour and we couple it with Zoom and we use Facebook Live to virtually show your home to all of Facebook.
All right, so if you want to see some actual examples of that, go to our website, teamlally.com, click on the virtual tours that are on every single one of our listings.
Be safe and aloha.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
So we got somebody that walked into our open house. How can I help you, sir?
We're just taking a look.
Taking a look,
Yeah?
okay.
We heard open house.
No, this is not an open house. It's a Facebook Live.
Oh,
But come on in, look it. I'm doing a Facebook Live on Facebook, but you guys can walk around. What's your name, sir?
Patrick.
Patrick, what's your
My
name?
wife Jessica.
This is our unofficial way of how we just signed you in. So real quick, open houses are not allowed in Hawaii, but they saw the door open and they saw me walking around and they just came in. I didn't say come inside, right? You guys came in on your own?
On my
That's
own.
fine. Walk around. Here, do me one favor though. Don't touch anything
You got it.
because of the COVID-19. Okay. All right, so make a mental note. Close the door behind you when you're doing live open houses. Yeah, I'm just joking with you guys. Go walk around. Don't touch anything though.
Let's go.
This is the Team Lally Real Estate Show. Home of the guarantee.